Makhumalo said to Mayeni, let's work together for not accepting Makwela. Makhumalo have to understand on Istanbul there is no friendship. She have to stand by her own, even their friendship with Mangwawe. Because Mayeni want to use other people. Mayeni and Mangwawe, they were at her back. They are reporting Makhumalo at Macele's house. And Macele was explaining that I don't want to be involved on your issues because Makhumalo and Musamseleku, they bring someone in Musumbe to have a child for Makhumalo. And Mayeni and Mangwabe, they are at her back. They don't tell Makhumalo they are reporting her at Macele's house. Imagine, guys, you says you are the team with those people, but those people, they go and report you at Macele, and Macele doesn't like Makhumalo. Mayeni and Mangwabe, they have got a hope that Macele is going to do something about that issue because they know that Macele doesn't like Makhumalo. Imagine, Makhumalo have to understand that there is no friendship. Mangwabe is her friend and she wants to be friendship with Mayeni. Mayeni doesn't like Makhumalo at all. And Mayeni is using other people. At other side, she is using Makhumalo for not accepting Makwela. At other side, she is using Macele for not accepting that woman who came to have a child for Makhumalo. Imagine, guys, those people, they go and report you. But the lucky is that Macele said she doesn't want to be involved. Macele told them directly that I don't want to be involved on issues about Muzumbe. Mayeni, at the first time, she says to Macele, Muzumbe is not your compound. Mayeni was told Macele that your compound is on CPAC. And now Mayeni go to Macele and report that there is someone in Muzumbe. Do something. Imagine, guys, why they are reporting to Macele. Now they see that Macele is an important person now in their lives. They are reporting Makhumalo. You understand? Mayeni want to enjoy her husband alone, not with other people. And Makhumalo have to understand that on Istanbul, even her sisters told her that there is no such a thing that you are free, you have got a friendship with Mangwawe. You are sharing a man, and that person you say is your friend, you are getting along. Makhumalo want to get along with Mayeni to be team, but she have to know that Mayeni never liked her, even they are team or what. At the back, Mayeni doesn't like Makhumalo at all. Even she can do what. Makhumalo have to stand by her own and to keep her secrets. Even all those things sometimes she is discussing with Mangwawe. Makhumalo have to stand by her own like Macele. Macele never want to be a team with those wives, even with Makwela. Macele told Makwela that I'm not your friend. You understand? Makhumalo want to be a friendship with Macele, and Macele doesn't want it. Even with Makwela, we can show them on cameras, but those people, they don't spend time together. Makwela and Macele. Macele told Makwela that I'm not your friend. You understand? Makhumalo have to know those things because sometimes to be team with other people, at end of the day, Musamseleku is with those people and you are alone now. You are a single person. When you are single, be single. Don't be friendship with the Musamseleku's wives. You understand it? They come because even Musamseleku introduced Mangwawe to her, it's not about they supposed to be friends or what. Because Mangwawe, she was reporting her at her back. Imagine your friend is reporting you that at Macele, and Mangwawe knows that Makhumalo and Macele, they are like dog and cat. They don't get along, and your friend is reporting you to your enemy. Imagine. So Makhumalo have to open her eyes and see it that there is no friendship. Even she can say to Mayeni, let's work together, what. Sometimes Makhumalo have to stand by her own. And now Musamseleku, he is end up blaming Makhumalo. You are the reason why you are influencing them. Yeah, this, you understand. Macele said those things that if Mayeni and Mangwawe, they are wrong, Musamseleku, he will end up blaming them. It's either Macele or blaming Makhumalo. You remember even on season 8, Musamseleku, they've got an issue with Mayeni at at dinner. Musamsileku was regretting it, and he told Macele another time that everything we have to do, we have to tell Mayeni. Imagine, Musamsileku, he can do something for Mayeni, but to those, Makumalo have to understand, she have to stand with her own. There is no friendship.